Hello everyone and welcome. I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to unbox the Playbar by Sonos. It's basically a sound bar and many other things. So I'm going to get this unboxed so we can see what's in here. Let's see how you open this. Alright, got some tape here. Got my unboxing knife here. So back here, there's some tape back here, so we're just going to go. Close this up. Nobody gets caught. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see. Got some foam plating in here. Out of the way. This here. And what else do we have? Got some boxes here. We'll get to this in a second. So let's see what's in this box here. Quick start guide. Product information. And we got our AC adapter, plug-in adapter. Looks like the optic cable and Ethernet cable. So that's what's in this box. Is there another box? Put this. This looks like another box here. I'm not sure. No, nothing there. It's empty. And all right. No remote control. I can see it. And what we got back here is some tape. Get it there. I'm gonna take this off. As you can see right here on the back, or the back here, also some slots. It looks like you can mount it to your wall if you wanted to. I'm gonna turn it around. As you can see, this is, here it is, Sonos. Can't really tell if I got it, if it's upside down or if it's right side up. Looks like it would be like this. You can see this is how long it is. And yep, there we go. That's it. That's a sound bar. It's also you can play other music on here with music with your phone. And okay, as I'm looking here, there's some buttons here on the side. You got a play button, pause button. Looks like volume up and down here. You have a sensor here. Not really sure what it's for yet. Let's see about the other side. Nothing on the other side. But here, on the bottom down here, it's like two Ethernet ports back here, and the AC adapter and the optic plug will go here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this set up, and I'll come back with a review. I hope you like this unboxing of the Sonos Playbar. Please do. If you did, press that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Again, I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and we'll see you next time.